valuable object. Do I have any more stuff? I can get rid of... I don't know. You guys are probably like shaking your head like, oh, get rid of the acorns, you stupid. Or, I just did something that I, shouldn't have really done. You guys are just yelling at me like, through the monitor. Just tell me if I'm doing something wrong. I can't even see this slime. Like, all I see is like this splashing, which is, I guess, all you need to see. Whatever. Go down there. Yes, what's down there? Oh, I'm almost gonna. I should find a way back up. Breath, sweet breath. Like this. Fake source of breathing. That is gold. I want to make a golden sword of broadness. It's like really big. I can't do math right now. It's like, would it be like 8 times 4? Because you need 4 for, oh no, I only need 4 for a block. And then you need 8, I know that's what you need 8 for, ooh, what the heck? No. I see you. I see how you won't play like that. I'm gonna die here. This is terrible. No. Get away. Stay in here. I'm good. Where is he? I can't see him. Also be nice if I could live and survive with all this ore. Although I have no way of getting back out. Like I just did here. Do it stupidly, don't do it. How far is that drop down there? I don't even know. Oh, that's pretty far. I wouldn't make that. Actually, no, I wouldn't. And you can't tell. These, like in Minecraft, you can actually tell how far it is because, the zombies would die. But here it's like, oh wow, I would have missed. Bat. Hey, bat. Wow, yeah, no, I'm gonna have to like split this into 2 videos, so sorry, but I like kinda got carried away. Lost track of time. Oh my god, I saw the mother's land thing. Ah, I'm gonna die. Whatever. So instead of 15 minutes, it's like 20 already. So yeah, I can't really post that. There is a limit, and I do not have a subscription sadly. But yeah, try and get all this without dying. And then, do I have any? No, I threw them out. That sucks. Whatever. I was gonna like. I need something. 5. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that thing, those things to get out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go away. That was not fair. That's not very nice. And fight till the end. Except it's gonna be the end of me. Which I think is the whole point of fight till the end. Yes, that's right. You can't get out. Hold on. What's down there? Nothing much. No, okay, so it's nothing that I should jump down there and swim with the piranhas for. That's what I was wondering, because it's a choice that people make sometimes. Oh. Is to go swim with the piranhas because their stuff they wanted was down there. But it's pretty dangerous. Oh, shit. No, that's not nice. Go away. Okay, where am I gonna go now? God, this is just stupid. I hate digging. I just want to go through, get all this good stuff. Okay, you know what? This block stuff sucks. I could get like so much more dirt because there's all this mud everywhere. To make mud, you need to have dirt, so I just stick with the dirt anyways. Oh no, I want to jump over it and make it flat there. So it can't swim into the water and attack me. That was smart of me to think like that. Was there anything? Did I see anything? No, there's not. Other than an urn, what was that? I saw something. God, it disappears. What was it? Cat. It was something with a C. We'll go down here. How many torches do I have left? Oh, where are they? 21. I have lots. Okay. Oh, bat. That's what it was. No, bitch. Get the Get away. Oh, not another one. No. You know what? Just no. And another? Oh my god. Like an orgy of bats. No, not a skeleton. A pussy thing to do, but I needed to go up here anyways, so because I want to see what's up here. Quickly. Oh my, look at this. Oh, I almost fell down. I thought falling down there and everything would have been lost forever. Boom. Boom. Not a bomb, which is basically what I just said, you know. Can I hit? Oh, I can. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Can I get back? Oh, yeah, of course I can. Don't jump. Sorry, bad. Did I hurt your feelings because I didn't notice you for a bit? Okay, if he jumps up here, please no. Okay. Bitch. Get the fuck down. Stay down there. Wow, is it like, are they like retarded? Okay, stay away. Fuck. Stay down there. If I get a hook, that'd be amazing. No, no, no. Ooh, ooh. No. Okay. I'm gonna blow the crap out of you. What are you guys doing? You guys are like stupid. Okay. No. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. There was gold and copper and my is that the first? I don't know. Is that the first time I've died? Because if it has, that was a terrible time to die. That sucked. Honestly, that just sucked a lot. Well, whatever. I needed to get home somehow. Well, I'm gonna have to cut it soon. Soon enough. Oh god, I don't know what to do here. Like, I'm gonna have to like put a chest up here so that I can. Like, oh shit! You can just deposit all, whatever. And then like all this. Destroy it. Take some. That way now I can like, and I don't think I'm gonna bother with the wood wall after that part because it doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. Destroy this stuff. Right there. That seems good. Or there, you know, that works. Does that even, can a chest go there? Oh yes. That is amazing. Okay, well I gotta stop it. Thank you for watching, and please come again.